Hey guys, this is our letters and sounds, page 37 and 38. All right, so number 1 says circle the beginning letter for each word. So the very first sound we hear, let's say this picture word. It is a picture of a rainbow. What sound do we hear at the beginning? Rainbow. So let's circle the letter that says Remember, like our pirate friend, he said, All right, let's look at this. This is a picture of a door. Door. This might be a little tricky. I hear the d sound. Which one says d? Remember, he has a diaper in the back. Good. This one has his diaper in the back. All right. Next, let's look at this picture. This is a sandwich. Sandwich. Which letter says S? This one, very good. All right, this picture right here is a picture of a feather. Feather. Which letter says F? All right, we're not going to worry about this one. We're going to look at the next one. Duck. 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 Which letter says d? Very good. Let's go down here to this one. It says, it is a picture of a helicopter. Helicopter. Which letter says? Very good. All right, let's look at this picture. This is a picture of a ball. Ball. Remember, these two, this one's kind of tricky because it gives you both of the letters that look alike. But one has a belly out front, and the other has a diaper out back. This is your letter B. All right, let's look at this. This is a rooster. Rooster. Which letter says Great. This one. We're not going to do this one. We're going to look at the next picture. It's a mailbox. Mailbox. Look at my lips. They're closed and they're saying good. Mailbox. This is the letter M. Remember, the letter N says my mouth is open, but my tongue is blocking. So this is the letter M. For mailbox. Let's look at this picture. It's a picture of a tent. Tent. Which letter says t? This one. Good. All right, let's look on the back. Miss Indra can't really do this with you because you have to color, but I can help you read the words. So let's look at this word. You have the letter H that says hill, and those two L's at the end say one sound. That's the double consonant rule that you learned last year in K4 if you were in K4. When you have a double consonant like that, it says it one time. So So what you're going to do is you're going to read those words, and the vowel sound that you hear in the middle, I, or you're going to color the sound green, the I sound red, the sound blue, the sound brown, and the orange. So let me help you read these words. Let's look at the B. So listen in the middle. This word up here is ham. This next word is fan. This word is fin. This word is nut. This word is lid. Double consonant rule. Remember, we say the sound one time. Boss. Boss. Net. Net. Bus. Hen. Rug, rug. Mom. B-e-l, double consonant, bell. Man. D-a-d, dad. Lad, lad. S-ad, sad. B-at, bat. T-a-n, tan. Good.